Hi guys, we're back after almost a month. Is it?
I don't know. Yeah.
When I started, yeah. Almost a month. No, but the last time I uploaded was 3 weeks ago, I think. Just
Yes, I'm driving.
it's really rainy today. Oh, it's so.
Just like the last weekend.
It's gonna be winter soon.
It is winter.
And you're driving a different car, my love. What happened to Bella?
This is Virmonen's car. She's planning to buy a Suzuki Swift. So we took it for a test ride.
I don't know how to drive yet.
Dealer lended us the car for 2 days just to see if it fits Virmonen's needs. So how does it fit your driving needs so far?
I don't know how to drive. You're the one driving, not me.
Yeah, but does it fit your
Yeah,
needs?
yeah.
It has radio. It has pin-up lady here on the dashboard. It has seats, so you don't need to, like be on crouching here or something.
See guys, it's raining outside. We're going to have our very late lunch again. Like we're always having.
Oh my gosh,
lunch.
3!
It's dinner. It's almost dinner now, my love.
It's community day in 7 minutes. By the way, guys, I told it's 2 p.m. that we're going for lunch. Oh my gosh, I look horrible. I told her we're going at 2 p.m. and right now it's 2:54. It took her 55 minutes.
No, you're playing your game and I waited for you like
It took her 54 minutes.
20 minutes.
Okay, 50 minutes.
No.
Because I played for 4 minutes.
No, you did not. You played like the entire time. I was
No, my love. Can you focus on your video?
Who cried today?
Good morning.
I did not. You did. We watched Netflix and Joseph cried, guys. Oh my gosh. Such a baby. He cried for a movie.
What was the
It
movie
was
I was
like-
crying?
Kissing Booth.
Kissing Booth. Yeah, that's typical movie I would cry about.
He cried like really big time.
Yeah, for at least half an hour when I had a look at you.
So, do I sound like a guy? My voice.
No.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look at that gun. It's very rainy.
Typical weekend in Auckland.
Yeah.
During the week it was alright,
Is it
sunny.
winter already, my love? It's winter. I need to cut my hair also. Like short.
I think the winter time is gonna be this weekend. Is it? I think it's in May.
Really?
I think so.
It's gonna be winter here, guys.
But
Yesterday was really cold, and last week one day as well was really cold.
Yeah, so technically it's still fall, but practically it's already
It's
winter.
already.
Because this is New Zealand winter here in Auckland.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining and it's
That's
cold.
winter.
That's not that bad.
Yeah. And like in your
What are
country,
winters in Philippines?
there's no winter in Philippines. It's always rainy and then sunny, then rainy.
Then sunny.
We only have two. Yeah, we only have 2 seasons.
Oh.
Rainy seasons and sunny. Right,
We only
guys?
have 2 seasons, really?
Yeah, we only have 2.
Oh.
Wet and dry seasons.
Oh my gosh. That's
they
because
got
you're so
four.
that's because you're so close to equatorial, right?
Yeah, tropical country.
tropical. My love, where is your hula hula skirt?
Hawaii. Are we
Hula
going
hula.
to Hawaii, my love? So in your country, my love, the winter is really like snow.
Ah, used to. As well.
Bad word.
Hmm?
Bad word.
Yeah, it's bad because global warming is a real threat.
I know.
Love is a real threat.
Yeah. So we have to take care of our mother nature, guys. It's just because of us.
It's too late.
I
And
know.
we're not gonna save it. It's too late.
It's not too late. We're
It is.
just not gonna make it worse.
Look at that, ozone layer is already open. There's so many holes like in a Swiss cheese.
But if we're gonna do something now, it's not gonna.
No, we can't
worse.
we can't regrow ozone layer.
But we can't damage it more.
Yeah, we can damage it more and we will damage it more. Because this is humankind. We are destroying everything.
No, but guys, yeah, we can do something. At least we're trying to stop it. But eventually it will. Yeah, you know that already. It's sunny in here. Every time I show that sun, it's gonna rain. It was sunny while we were talking a while ago. Hi guys, we're here at Dos Amigos. And what are you having?
I don't know.
Chimimanga. And I have enchiladas. Ay, quesadilla. Yes. That's quesadilla. And he got some. Chimimanga. It's just like enchiladas, my love. You should have told me. In different shape. This is massive. And our view.
Look, Ma. Careful, my love. Car is here. Oh my gosh, Squirtle.
Back.
Button buddies. Don't break my phone.
Oh, it's cold. We're here. Yeah.
Why are you pushing me?
My love, let's go. It's so cold. I can't. It's really cold.
It's not cold. It's not cold. It's alright.
I am.
How come that you beat your brothers? Oh, I don't know. Charmander. Your video.
No, it's really cold already. Guys, it's so cold.
My love, there's a raid here.
Okay.
Supply.
Hi guys, we're back. We had our dinner, lunch already. Joseph is driving. It was really cold. We're full.
I'm
It's
so
yummy.
full.
Winter already. Look at those trees. Look at this trees. And look at the weather as well. It's pretty bad in here. Whoa! Whoa! Mana. Oh wait! Do see!
What? I'm drowning.
See? Look at the trees, guys. It's autumn.
Oh my gosh, all colors. It's so beautiful.
Colors.
I'm feeling like it's Christmas, but it's not.
Hey, you're full na, my love.
I'm
So we
full.
catch Pokemon, and then what did we do last? We ate at Dos Amigos,
And I told him we have anniversary today.
Yeah, I forgot.
I didn't tell him 9th monthsary, which is basically not anniversary though. I told him we have anniversary and that we decided to celebrate it there. And he was like, oh, really? Thank you.
Anniversary really actually means like you're in a relationship for a year already.
And you're not with me in relationship.
I am. We are.
So we are having an anniversary.
So we're always celebrating our anniversary, our monthsary.
It's still
At
easy
Dos
to count
Amigos.
now. It's still easy to count now, but once we get our, I don't know, 68th monthsary or 158th monthsary, that's gonna be difficult to remember which month it is.
So wait. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.
Hello.
I hope.
So that's it, guys. This was today's trip and celebration of our 9th monthsary, and we probably see you later tonight when Vermalin's gonna teach you with makeup.
Time it.
Bye bye everyone.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you.